In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a power steering pressure switch on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. There's a push button connector for the power steering pressure switch. I'm going to push on that and remove the connector. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove the pressure switch. Remove the sensor. Start the new pressure switch by hand, and we'll snug it down. Torque the power steering pressure switch to 16 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the connector onto the pressure switch. Remove the lid off the reservoir. Using the proper power steering fluid, we're going to fill the power steering reservoir. I'm going to get my reservoir to the max line, and then I'm going to go inside of the car or to the side if the car is jacked up and move the wheels back and forth lock to lock with the car off. We're going to do this until the reservoir drops. Once it drops, we'll refill it and continue that process a few more times until our reservoir does not drop in fluid. We're going to make sure our reservoir is at the cold max line. And install the cap on the reservoir.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.